Actually, the mic input has some kind of a loose contact issue, but now it seems to be working. Perfect. Anyways, what's up guys? Please say hello, Elana. Hope everyone is doing great. Time is around 10 o'clock in the morning. Heading to the gym. I got a little bit late. I was trying to upload today's video, but somehow internet speed is fine, but YouTube upload speed is slow. Don't know what's happening with YouTube. I was super excited today because I'll be test driving the Kia Seltos DCT finally. Kia people are getting it home for the test drive. So let me quickly go to the gym. I think test drive will be around 12 o'clock if they come. Alright, came back to the gym, had a nice pumped up workout. Whoa! Is it 1006 calories today? That's like insane. My target is 600 calories per day, but properly I finished 1006 calories. And that is the reason when you stress yourself too much, things can go wrong. That is what exactly happened today. You see this, now it's a little bit better, but actually I hurt myself really bad. It really hurt me. Oh shit. It is gonna be a little bit graphical in case you don't like to see such stuff. Skip the next 5 seconds maybe. I know you guys will not skip. Watch it. Now it's fine. I can do this, no problem. Absolutely fine. I was trying to put a 14 kg dumbbell into the rack. There was a little bit of fatigue and my finger crushed in between the dumbbell and the rack. After that I came back home. I got a call from Kia people. They told me they arrived with the Seltos DCT at my house. And yes, me and dad went down and took a test drive. Okay, here is the car, the Seltos. Finally, the 1.4 petrol turbo DCT. Yeah, we need to wear a mask and let's go test ride it and let's see if this is gonna convince me. If it convinces me right now, today itself I'm gonna book it. Actually, a lot of people were telling me that test drive the Harrier. Maybe I'll take a test drive of that as well and then finally decide. But more priority is on the Seltos because I like the shape. Front side Harrier looks amazing, but then side and back somehow the design doesn't convince me. Personal taste. Okay, let's test drive the DCT and come. Impressive. Oh yes, we loved it. Even dad loved the car.
It's amazing, and I was driving the sports mode. I really enjoyed it.
So this is for him. So yeah, I think we're gonna go for this.
No, my son's gift to me.
Little bit I'm gonna pull in, but majority he's gonna put. Mine is done with. Oh yes, definitely I liked it. I'll not say I loved it. It's not like amazingly superb and all that. It's decent. I liked it. I can live with this car for at least 2 to 3 years. Bada car, Mercedes and all that. Let's plan. Hopefully a few people give me good blessings and I'll try to work more hard and someday get a Mercedes for myself. I'm confident about that. End of October 2020, I'm saying this. In the next couple of years or months, not months, but years, Sriman is gonna get a Mercedes for sure. Will get or not doesn't matter, but you need to have that confidence first. If you have that target and focus in mind, you reached your goal halfway. If you don't even have a focus or goal like that in your mind, and if you don't believe in yourself, then whether you reach it or not, it doesn't matter. You already lost. So being positive is very important. Let's do that. So yes, I liked it. So what next? Am I gonna book the Kia Seltos 1.4 petrol turbo DCT GTX Plus? Finally, I learned that. Am I gonna book it? Well, almost. But in all of my previous videos, when I checked all the comments, most of you people said this one thing: Sriman, why don't you check the Tata Harrier as well? I've explained it in one of my comments saying that I definitely like to have an Indian brand, but the problem is, for my personal taste and liking, from the front the Harrier looks insane. It's amazing, but from the side somehow I feel, I don't know, my personal taste, it feels a little bit bulky and tall, and even from the rear I don't like the tail light design. I know it's not a major thing, but then personal taste, somehow that didn't appeal to me. But then still, the number of comments I've seen, a lot of you people asked me to test drive 2 particular vehicles, that is the Tata Harrier and the second one is Jeep Compass. I love the brand Jeep as well. Only thing is, once again, interiors look a little bit outdated. The only compact SUV that caught my attention is definitely the Seltos. But then when I'm putting so much of money, I thought why not go check out the Tata Harrier as well, because it's not about me. My dad should also like it. He went through my comments. He said so many people are suggesting the Tata Harrier as well. Why don't you go and take a test drive? So yeah, let's go check it out. Before that, let me finish my tiffin box and I'll see you in the car. Reaching the Tata showroom. As per all of my subscribers' recommendation and suggestions, I'm gonna go and test drive the Tata Harrier. I'm just waiting for Charan to come. He's got some contact here. So did I cross it? It's perfect, it's here. That's the Tata Harrier. I mean, and tell you guys, it is so famous. It has got like crazy fans. I've seen my comments and I've understood it's got the highest number of fans amongst all the SUVs or compact SUVs. I don't know what is it categorized under. Is it ladder on frame? Not sure. It looks very nice from Samne, but only thing is from the side, it's a little bit bulky, I feel. I don't know, little bit out of proportion. That's what I feel, okay? I feel, not everyone. Let's test drive it. If it's like impressive, then maybe. But yes, mostly 99% today will make the decision. Either the Tata Harrier or the Kia Seltos. Final test drive before deciding on the Seltos or the Harrier. Everyone is asking me to test drive this before going ahead. Is it ladder on frame, huh?
Need to double check. But I think it's monocoque.
How do I do it?
Press and down. Hey. Yeah. Little too complicated, but
Not complicated. You need to
you get used to it. New system.
One first impression, this is something I didn't like.
Too wide.
It's like 16 is
Too
to 9.
stretched.
Yeah, nice. High-rised. Looks good.
Seating position all good.
Yeah. Oh, this is huge.
Can you see in the bonnet?
Yeah, no, it is nice. Like the high-rise feel is really good.
There are terrain modes and driving modes.
Economy drive mode activated.
Oh,
Yeah.
it even says it out.
Can you turn that off? Voice prompt.
No, we cannot.
You cannot try.
Suspension is really smooth. It's not like sturdy, unlike Seltos. Now everything in my head is Seltos.
So this is a
City
regular.
drive mode activated.
City drive mode. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, what does that do? It's become responsive now.
170 horsepower.
It's got power, man. It's got power.
I think it is 350 Nm torque.
350 Nm at I think 1700.
1700 or something.
Definitely impressive. Everything. The riding position, the way it sets high, the way I set high.
And we'll put sports mode now.
Drive mode activated.
So roars. No, suspension is good. It's not very sturdy. It is soft. It's crazy power in it. Okay, this is some power I expected. Like this is the power I wanted.
थोड़ा loud है, but
Yeah, insulation could be better.
we are like you're revving it quite a lot, right?
So we don't drive like this usually. Seriously, Tata has improved so much.
So how is it compared to Tiguan? You rode Tiguan, right?
That's a 45 lakh car, dude.
No, just in terms of performance.
I mean, this is becoming too vocal.
Too raw.
That's you don't hear anything in that. But that's expected. Double the cost.
25 versus 45.
This is on road how much? 25. Out of all the test drives I've done, compact SUV. But one more thing, what I didn't like, there is body roll.
Big SUV. Effect of a big SUV.
There's a little extra body roll. Oh, panoramic. Oh, nice. So much of space.
2 Srimans can fit in this.
Now 5 Srimans can fit in. I put my driving seat this much. Still, I have like I can put a small TV here. Impressive, yeah. Very good.
But the seats are good here. These are much better than my Nexon seats.
Very good car, but the first thing I didn't like is that screen, small, and
this can be better.
this whole area,
This whole thing
that whole thing doesn't feel like
can be longer. It is narrow.
entire dash. Feels little bit old. This is crazy. Seriously.
Podko thumbnail
good.
వస్తుంది.
Feels airy because of panoramic sunroof. Very impressive. I liked it. 9 out of 10.
Oh.
Yes, but only thing is that body roll and the dash and screen.
Which are things that you see regularly.
And there is one small flaw I can show in terms of design. It's not a big flaw, you get used to it, but see, when you're trying to open this, your finger hits here. All the time. This happened like 3-4 times now. Ardhamainda?
Kani, that's only the...
This should have been placed a little bit peeche maybe. It's hitting. Chalo, let's sit with others and decide. Front say looks fabulous. Side say is what I feel it looks like bulked out a little bit and rare. Front looks properly like Range Rover. Definitely impressive, yeah. I still, I was not convinced with the 2 things. First thing is the dash. It looks a little bit outdated for me, once again, my personal choice. And second thing, I thought it'll be fine, but there's a lot of body roll. I hate body roll. And the other thing is the main thing, the design. Front side, it looks like proper Range Rover. I'm in love with that design, but side and rear, once again, personal choice. I have to keep mentioning this. So I think I'm almost done. I'll be deciding on the Seltos maybe. Is there anything else? Suggest me. 20 lakhs plus I'm putting in, so I want good suggestions from you. Anything else that I can try? See, this is the reason I like bikes. You know why? It's very easy to decide, Ray. It's so complicated.
Bikes are also
So
tough,
many
Ray.
cars. Too much of competition in single segment. Bikes, mein, what is there? Adventure tour, mein, if
But
you see,
somehow I think you have decided and made up your mind.
I made up my mind mentally, but Dad said you're spending so much. At least try that once. I thought at least if it is like this car is good in terms of body roll and all that. It's really good. Nexon. Now people will say, why don't you take Nexon?
No, petrol, diesel, even I wouldn't think. The weakest point in Tata, at least in the models below Harrier, is the engines. Their engine performance is not as good as Hyundai's and Kia's. Harrier
And even the
performance
ride
is
quality.
good.
I test drove the Harrier, right? You go and test drive all these cars because in the last week we've been doing that. I'm even talking about the tire sound or the insulation from the engine.
Yeah.
The overall, all these
So
things.
that overall experience is different.
So you're putting 2-3 lakhs less in the Kia and you're getting a better option. Performance, no doubt.
No, but
Harrier is amazing.
You're getting better handling in the Seltos.
Yeah, it feels it hugs the road
Correct.
properly.
So
Yeah,
this one
it's got
suits
that.
the highway where it is much more comfortable.
See, rank 1 T-Roc in terms of handling. Rank 2 Seltos.
That's way ahead.
Rank 3 is Harrier.
Ride-
but if you're looking
ride
for
and handling.
engine power, I think this is the best. It's better than
It is the
T-Roc.
same engine as the Compass engine. So that's why.
That's the reason.
That's the reason it is.
Okay. Anyways, not like really impressive in terms of the overall car. In terms of only engine, excellent. Power and all that is crazy. Anyways, in case anyone is looking for a Harrier or something, definitely go for it. And interiors, I thought, see, this is so nice, Ray. Your interiors, they look so modern.
That's a 1-year-old car. Actually, that looks better if you get it in black.
No, but still, I'm talking about these lines and all that, the sleek design, this whatever.
I think that's a
The
bash.
TFT, all that.
That's
So,
the
Charan,
seat.
what do you think? Anything else is there to test drive? Jeep Compass? No? Why?
Interiors are.
Charan is not recommending, and even Chaitanya hates Jeep. He was about to take the Jeep before the Tiguan, And Creta doesn't have symmetry now. The light symmetry especially. Front lights are different to the rear lights.
Yeah.
You only showed me that. So what's the plan now?
Pick up Chaitanya, go to Pranav's place.
Tea party.
Tea okay.
टी ओके 1 घंटा हो गया अभी 7:45 now. इंजन ऑफ करना भूल गया चरण. I mean, it doesn't have an engine, but electric
Every
engine.
time it happens, every time.
Electric engine.
Luckily they have that noise, but it's irritating.
Pip, pip, pip. That's the only indicator. I didn't know you like dogs.
I like all pets.
వాము.
Dogs, cats.
ఎవడో డిసిప్లిన్ లేదంటాడు మాకు. 20 minutes తర్వాత వచ్చాడు. 10 minutes అని చెప్పాడు.
అరే 15 minutes అయిందిరా, ఏడుస్తుంది ఎప్పుడంతా.
లెక్క పెట్టా నేను కూర్చొని. బాత్రూంలో కూర్చొని వీడియోలు పంపిస్తుండు మాకు. మా వీడియోలు మాకే. డోర్ బెల్ నుంచి వీడియోలు తీసి పంపిస్తుండు మాకు. యూజ్లెస్ ఫెలో.
అంతే ఉన్నాను లేరా. 1-2 weeks లో ఏం చిక్కిపోతాం రా. అట్లయితే ఇయర్ అంతా తినేసి జస్ట్ ఒక 2 weeks డైటింగ్ చేస్తే సరిపోద్దిగా.
అట్లా చేస్తే అట్లా అయ్యో. ఐఎమ్ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ యూ మై బాయ్. ఐ కెన్ సీ చేంజెస్.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
లిటిల్ బిట్.
చూపి.
No, it is there. This is a big
డబ్బా
change.
వాళ్ళ మావాడు కూడా
You know, what is this tiffin dabba? Little bit premium. What is this, chicken and rice? Huh?
అంతే కదా.
I'm proud of you, my boy.
So
No, he didn't get inspired from me. Okay, I'm telling you again.
ఒకప్పుడు ఇదే పొజిషన్ ఇక్కడ వీడు ఉండేవాడు, నేను వాడు డామినోస్ తినాలి.
నేను ఇట్లా
ఇప్పుడు
ఏడుస్తుండే.
ఇద్దరు డబ్బాలు మధ్యలో నేను ఒక్కడనే డామినోస్ తినాలి.
ఇంకేముందిరా చెర్రీ, ఇంకో 1 week లోపల నువ్వు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తావు చూడు.
No, he's Isha Foundation.
ఈశాన్ ఫౌండేషన్.
Ishan.
Ishan
We are Zishan, he's Ishan. But very good. Everyone is getting into the mode, which means I'll have nice company in the ride. Especially when we go for rides, no? Chaitanya, so he'll get nice stuff for me. No need to worry about food.
3 డబ్బాలు గ్యారంటీ.
3 dabbas. Oh, yeah. Pioneer left and right and top box.
ట్రిప్ అన్నావని ఏమన్నావని నాకు సంబంధం లేదు.
సో మీరు బఫేలు ఇవన్నీ హోటల్స్ లో ఏం ఎంజాయ్ చేయాలి?
Biscuit. And Chaitanya, I test drove the Harrier just now.
How was it? For people whose priority is size, I think Harrier and Hector are like good choices.
Yes.
But if you're looking for a engaging driving experience,
Correct.
technology kind of thing,
Engine wise, it is amazing.
అరే నువ్వు నడిపింది
350
older
Nm torque.
engine.
నేనేది నడిపిన
140 horsepower, ఇది లేటెస్ట్
This is
170.
170 horsepower, 350 Nm torque.
Okay,
It's
okay.
very powerful, very engaging to drive.
Me and Charan
But it's raw.
tested it last year. I didn't really feel it engaging
Yeah.
because the wheel, it felt disconnected from the road.
Right. That is there.
The
That is still
turbo
there.
lag was quite obvious.
No, turbo lag is not there. It's very responsive, but there is a lot of body roll, which I'm not used to. I'm used to sedan, so that is one thing I hate. And the interiors feel outdated, right? They don't look modern. Even if it looks like this much, I would still prefer that.
It's quite a large car. I think for a highway, like
Yeah,
For highway purpose,
majority
yeah.
highway usage, I think it would make more sense.
correct.
But if you want to like
In the
want like
city-
the family to navigate it in like tight corners in the city,
Correct.
I think Seltos would be more fun for you.
Yeah, today I've driven the Seltos in the morning, the DCT, very engaging. Out of the
Yeah.
lot, I think I liked it.
Dude, just book it, man. Spend too much time.
Correct. నీతో
Nala
చేరి అట్లా అయ్యా.
episode
నీతో
basically.
చేరి ఇట్లా అయ్యా. I was not like this, you know.
No
Chaitanya is like this usually.
point.
You got inspired to do a lot of research.
We'll not talk about inspirations now, okay?
నీ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ వేర్రా.
అరే
From I-22
ఇక్కడ నాకు పర్స్పిరేషన్ వస్తుంది.
కింద ఉందిరా అక్కడ. There is a AC there.
దీనికోసమే ఈ డైలాగ్ కోసమే నేను అన్నాను రా.
అరే?
పెంచిరాదు, ఇక్కడ ఏం కంట్రోల్స్ లేవు, బొక్కుంది అంతే.
Right, back home time is once again 11:45 and I have to start editing right now, which will take me at least 3 to 4 hours, and morning may another 3 to 4 hours before going to the gym. At least 5 to 6 hours for me to edit all this vlog. So no problem, I enjoy doing all this, but before going, do not forget to hit the like button. Do subscribe in case you like the content, share it with your friends as well. See you guys in the next vlog. Hopefully by next vlog or maybe after that, I'll be finalizing and booking the new car. We'll have a new car in the family.